Blue goo and the leaky body. Why reality TV is no game for the chronically ill. By De-Stress with D, creator of Buddha Berry Peace Tree Method. If you've been watching this season of Big Brother, you saw it. Contestants Zach and Rachel relentlessly doused in bright blue slime. The audience cheered, the editors added comical sound effects, and it was all framed as harmless fun. But for those of us who live with compromised immune systems, mast cell activation syndrome, mold illness, CIRS, or what I call a leaky body, a breakdown of barriers from gut to brain to muscle, it was more than messy entertainment. It was a direct assault on biology. This is the dark underbelly of reality TV, where human health becomes collateral damage for ratings. What's in the goo? Networks never release ingredient lists, but based on what's used to create that color, consistency, and shelf stability, here's what contestants were likely showered with. Petroleum-based dyes, blue 1, blue 2, linked to hyperactivity, allergic reactions, and potential carcinogenicity. Parabens and preservatives disrupt hormones and mimic estrogen phthalates, plasticizers, leach into the body, disrupting the endocrine system. Surfactants and detergents break down barriers, including the delicate mucosal linings in the eyes, nose, and lungs. Synthetic fragrance chemicals, respiratory irritants and neurotoxins, microplastics, stored in tissues, crossing gut and brain barriers. For those of us with leaky systems, the body cannot filter these toxins out. Instead, they accumulate silently. The invisible fallout. What looks like a stunt for laughs may set the stage for illness years down the road. Here's the pathway. Immediate assault. Goo in the eyes, lungs, and gut triggers inflammation and overwhelms detox organs. Silent storage. The liver, unable to clear the sudden load, stores toxins in fat, nerves, and even the brain. The tipping point. Another stressor years later. A viral infection, mold exposure, emotional trauma, pushes the toxic bucket to overflow. Symptoms can appear suddenly, long after the exposure. Neurological. Brain fog, anxiety, depression, memory loss. Immunological. MCAS. Histamine intolerance, inflammation, autoimmune markers. Systemic. Fatigue, muscle aches, joint pain, insomnia, gut pain. This is why toxicant-induced illness is so often dismissed. The cause and effect are separated by years. The leaky body in a toxic world. We already know alcohol is a poison. It leaks the liver and microbiome, creating brain-body muscle distress. Environmental toxins do the same. For those of us born with compromised systems, each exposure is another crack in the dam. I've lived my life using root cause healing, autophagy, and lifestyle medicine as a holistic personal trainer and healing advocate for over 45 years. I never used medicine unless in crisis because it causes more damage to leaky bodies. When no doctor could help me, I healed myself holistically from life-threatening leaky muscles and more than 40 other leaky body barriers. Today, I sleep deeply for 8 hours. No fan needed. My stools are healthy, quickly in and quickly out. My menopause and mental health struggles are gone. No anxiety, no depression, no brain fog, no belly bloat, no insomnia, all gone. The path to detox and peace. Detoxing is not about juice cleanses or vanity. It's a rewiring of how we live. It's survival. It's learning to love the inner child who never got the tools, often the firstborn parentified child who never learned to protect their own peace. Here's the Coles Notes version. Remove. No sugar, no booze, no synthetic meds, no man-made chemical foods. Release. Let go of toxic relationships, including the one with yourself. Rebuild. Heal your gut, tissues, and environment so your body no longer leaks. Reparent. Love your inner child who was never given the tools. Protect. Keep your PTSD piece safe in a toxic world. Why this matters. What happens in the gut happens in the brain, the body, and the muscles. Detoxing is not a trend. It is the path to reclaiming peace after trauma in a toxic world that keeps throwing blue goo at us. Literally and metaphorically, join us. If you are holistic, doing everything right and still sick and tired with rare illnesses, you're not alone. If this speaks to your soul, comment peace to join our next free 40-day detox. This is for the holistic warriors who've been dismissed and gaslit, yet continue to rise. We see you, we believe you, and we're healing together. De-Stress with D, for inner peace in a toxic world.